Shia Junpo. My nickname is Boeing. I'm from Chiang Mai, Thailand. I think my family, especially my mom, she is very supportive, and like without her I wouldn't be able to know what I want to be in the future. I will be studying in Daytona Beach, Florida, aerospace and occupational safety. I think success is about making my family proud and being happy in everything I do. NIS make me feel more confident, and I improve my English a lot, which like helped me to get a good score in my test, which also result in a great university. My favorite class is AP Art because it allows me to explore many things as well as myself. In AP Art we do a project called concentration. I can do about any topic I want. So I chose to do about myself, and I get to experiment with materials and learn about myself too. Most challenging classes are AP Physics and AP Calculus because they are hard. Yeah, math and the concepts is like really hard for me, and I need to study hard to get an A. I want them to start early, like taking SAT, IELTS, and learn about themselves, like what they want to be, so they can prepare and don't rush. I wish I could stay here longer so I can spend time with my friends more.